December 24. I'm here up with Timmy. We're trying to go out and do some stuff. Yeah, Timmy bought me this shirt. I'm trying to show you guys. Bought me maybe something like that. It's a West Waldo shirt.
That Christmas is here.
So anyway, our first agenda of the day is Timmy leaving his laundry behind me. Anyway, I got this hat. Yeah, as I was saying earlier, this shirt here, Timmy gave it to me, Christmas gift. Anyway, there's like 2 more errands for us to do all day today, 24th December, so it's gonna be a good day. First stop, laundry, done. Christmas traffic, going up to Tagalia. Alright, our second agenda, number 2, is looking for forceps. Timmy's forceps sink has been having some problems, so we're gonna look for some forceps first. Second agenda of the day. Yeah, so pin tap got broken, so we went and buy a new one, fix it. So now we're heading home. Anyway, we decided to take a detour, have some lunch first before we go home. So we are here at this Japanese restaurant, Japanese steakhouse and restaurant thingy. And then we're gonna go home. Salmon grill.
America is something expensive.
Alrighty. We are stuffed, really full, so me and Timmy decided we're gonna do a walkabout around Paseo. It's actually like a long time since walking around Paseo, so me and Timmy, so we're just gonna walk around, do some sightseeing, buy shopping, and then go home. Our third and final agenda. Timmy's lawn have been overgrowing a lot, and there's no time to actually cut the lawn, mow the lawn. So our third and final agenda is going and looking for a brush cutter, a electric brush cutter. So we're just done walking around here in Paseo, so I'm gonna head out. So we got this machine. It's an electric brush cutter from HMR.
Try to go and buy it.
Oi! Uy, uy. Sayang pa wala.
Yeah, anyway, we actually tried out the thing. The machine worked pretty well. So anyway, today is Eddie's last birthday. I don't know what's gonna happen yet, so I'm gonna go home, shower, and then see what's up. Probably the next part of this vlog, or not, just make this a 24th December vlog. See you in the next one.